I love that so many of you were interested in this bag. I put it up yesterday and so many of you said, yes, we want alternatives. So here I am. Let's get started. This infamous ghost bowling bag, which was an incredible dupe for the Royal Margot. It comes at 450 Australian dollars. Came to Australia last month for 10 days. And while I sat there thinking about it, do I get it, do I not get it, whether I get the leather one or do I get the suede one, it disappeared from their website. Yep, it did. And it is now only available at the Iconic in this color, in the suede, and that's it. And I don't even know how long it's going to be. So if this is the one that you want, run. Get it before the Iconic also decides, nah, we're going to let it go. Here I am. We've got all these bags. These were good value for money. And only one of them is more expensive than the COS bowling bag. The others are all cheaper. So you've got a bargain here. Top contender, Naked Fashion, big leather tote bag. It comes in black genuine leather or this beautiful brown suede leather. It is $279.95. However, if you sign up, you get 20% off. Even with postage, which is $13, it is still cheaper. This, I think, is an incredible dupe for the COS one, and it is half the price. Emmy tote bag from Witchery. Now, I was pleasantly surprised to see this incredible bag, which looks a lot like the Royal Margot at Witchery. It is currently 30% off at the Iconic, so it was $500 down to $350. I would say it's a steal. And this only comes in this one black leather, no other suede, none of that. So that is something to consider. So if you are looking for suede, then maybe this is not an option for you. Now, of course, other stories have come to play in this whole bowling bag business as well. They've come up with this double handle suede bag in this gorgeous chocolate brown, retailing at $366, available at the ASOS website, as well as obviously on the And Other Stories. Now, I don't think this comes in any other color or leather, so this is another good option to consider if you're looking for suede. Charles and Keith, they've come up with their own version of bowling bag as well. It comes in this gorgeous black, as well as a beige, sort of like mustardy beige color. It is retailing at $173. Now, it doesn't look precisely like that, but I think the shape, structure, everything is still very much like a bowling bag. Still fits well into the category. And it is way cheaper than the COS bowling bag. So it doesn't come in suede, only these two options. So another good leather contender. This one is an interesting one. Now, Coach came up with their own version of a bowling bag. Comes in two sizes, 26 as well as a 28. The 26 retails at $795. Again, currently on sale at the Iconic, 30% off. And so is the 28. One is a beige, one is black. I think this is really cute. It's not as big as the COS one, but if you are someone who likes the shape of a bowling bag but don't want that crazy big size, this is for you. Now, this one is a goodie. It's from Charles and Keith, and of course they had to come out with their version of a bowling bag. It's $173, comes in two colors. One is this and one is like a beigey mustard color. It's a brilliant alternative to the bag. I feel like it's not as big as the COS one. So anyone who's not looking for a gigantic bag, this is a really good option. No suede in this though. Now, if you're someone who cares about the environment, this is a really good option. It is a Korean brand called Monroe, and this is recycled leather. Comes in leather as well as suede, quite a few number of colors. I feel like there's black, beige, brown, maroon, quite a few beautiful colors. So I think it comes up to about 250 Australian dollars, which I personally think is a brilliant one. And this is just such a gorgeous bag. I feel like buying everything that I'm showing you today. Final one on the list is from a brand called Low & Hyde. Now, this is their Blair tote bag. It comes only in one black color, black leather, and it's 129.95 Australian dollars. It is at the Iconic. I don't know, I haven't seen their website. I sort of found it on the Iconic, and I will link everything on my LTK share that with you guys on the stories and everywhere possible. But that's it. These are some of the bags that I have found. Let me know if you want me to do sort of like a mid-tier 800 to 1500 sort of Australian dollar range as well. So if that's something that you're interested in, you kind of want to invest in something a bit more, let me know. But yeah, I'm interested. Which one do you like and which one are you going to buy? See you next time. Bye.